welcome back. So, I got these Magic the Gathering cards. I already opened one to see what they look like, but I didn't know how to open them, so I'm going to show you the cards I got. And then I didn't open this pack yet, so I'll show you. So, these are the cards I have. Wait, what's this? Guys, comment below, is this a good card? And also comment below if this is a good card. Oops, dropped this. Comment below if these are good cards. Don't make fun of me that I'm stupid, because I usually open up Pokemon cards. I don't open up these. Okay, there we go. First pack done. So now, I'm just gonna rip open this box and take a look at these other cards. I'm gonna open this up. Okay, I got this. Now I'm just gonna open them real quick. Slide them out. Okay, got all these. So now we got these cards. Ooh, this looks cool. One second. Okay. What's this? Ooh, it's these two things again. Guys, comment below what these things are. They actual cards that are good, or I'm just over exaggerating? Guys, tell me. See you in the next video. Bye!